Take our lead. Let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
Hummus is naturally high in good fat because of its sesame seed and olive oil content, with around 1 tablespoon 30 grams containing 8 grams of unsaturated fats. Hummus is low in carbohydrates and is also a fairly good source of plant-based protein and fiber.
Take our lead.
One ingredient used in Sabra, however, does carry some health concerns: potassium sorbate. This preservative has been linked to migraines and stomach issues, and a recent study published in the journal Toxicology in Vitro found the additive to damage immune system regulating white blood cells.
Take our lead.
Lectins. Lectins can cause major intestinal discomfort to those who eat the seeds, or in this case garbanzo beans whipped into hummus. Beans are poisonous seeds that will do anything they can not to be broken down by our digestive systems, including making people fart a lot.
Take our lead.
Here are some highlights. They are similar in terms of total fat and calories, but guacamole has higher levels of monounsaturated fatty acids, MUFA. MUFAs may lower your cholesterol and help regulate your blood sugar levels. Hummus has a higher protein content, which may help you feel fuller for longer.
Make your mark. Take our lead.
Laura reveals, hummus can be part of your daily diet as long as it is eaten in moderation and the rest of your diet contains a wide variety of foods. So, as with most foods, moderation is the key. However, there are certainly no qualms with eating some of this chickpea goodness every day.
Make your mark. Take our lead.
Some brands use more of those ingredients than others, but generally speaking, hummus is a healthy food when eaten in moderation. The moderation part is crucial, because it allows you to enjoy the benefits of hummus, high in fiber, antioxidants, protein, etc., without overdoing it on calories and fat.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.